I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying exact milestone conditions so you don't waste attempts. Once you confirm requirements, prepare your account and the required items. This prevents delays mid-run. Start the first actionable attempt now. Execute the minimal sequence that counts toward the milestone, log the time, and watch for errors. Doing this gives you a baseline to compare future tries and shows whether prerequisites or timing need quick adjustment before you escalate effort. Once you have a baseline, perform the optimized core process that reliably advances the milestone. You should follow a trimmed sequence of actions, remove anything that doesn't contribute, so each attempt is efficient. While running, monitor indicators like progress bars, cooldowns, counters, and latency. These explain why attempts succeed or fail. Make parallel runs or use backups to test small variations without losing progress. This iterative approach narrows down the exact sequence. You complete the milestone by confirming the reward and immediately capturing evidence, screenshots or logs, so you can appeal if needed. If it didn't register, isolate which step failed and repeat with adjusted timing, resource allocation, or sequence tweaks. Make small controlled changes rather than overhauling everything. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear cache or restart the client to resolve synchronization or latency issues. Many missed milestones trace back to transient connection or client state errors rather than your procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.